In this video, I'm going to give you a brief overview of this Aventon Level e-bike. It is equipped with a 500 watt hub motor in the rear that peaks at 750 watts. It's coupled with a 48 volt, 14 amp hour battery. It gets you about a 40-mile range if you're pedaling, probably a little bit less if you're throttle only. The throttle only does 20 miles an hour. Now, if you want to go above 20 miles an hour to 28, you need to set the passenger assist to 5 and then give it a little bit of pedal, and then it will easily go up to 28 miles an hour all day long. So far, I've been enjoying this bike. It's definitely worth the money, considering you get the rear fenders and front fenders, a cargo rack, and all the amenities that you get with it. The seat is a quality seat, I have to say. This is a downhill mountain bike helmet. I like that it's full face. It's lighter than a motorcycle helmet, but it does give a nice airflow compared to a motorcycle helmet, but safer than a regular bicycle helmet. All the products used are linked in the description below, so please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.